Welcome to the magical world of science. Today, we're going to explore how to keep safe with electricity. I'm Miss Ray, and I'm thrilled to be joined by a very curious scientist in the making, Kyra.
Hi, Miss Ray. I'm excited to learn about electricity. It's everywhere, isn't it?
It sure is. Electricity powers so many things around us. But do you know what could happen if we aren't careful with it?
Maybe we could get hurt?
Exactly. Electricity can be dangerous if we don't follow some important safety rules. Can you think of any rules we might need to stay safe?
Maybe not touching plugs or wires.
That's a great start. We should never touch mains appliances, wires, or plugs. And there's more. Let's think like scientists and explore some more rules.
Okay, what else should we do?
We should keep water away from electrical appliances. Why do you think that is?
Because water and electricity don't mix well?
Exactly. Water can carry electricity, and that can be very dangerous. Now, what do you think might happen if we touch a broken wire?
We could get a shock.
Yes, and it could be very painful or even harmful. That's why we should never touch damaged wires or appliances. Now, let's do a little activity. Imagine you're a detective. How would you find out if other kids know these safety rules?
I could ask them questions.
Perfect. You could ask questions like, should you touch an electrical appliance with wet hands? What do you think most kids would say?
I hope they would say no.
I hope so too. And if they don't know, we can help them learn. Now, let's talk about making predictions. If you ask 10 kids, how many do you think will know the right answer?
Maybe 7 out of 10.
That's a good prediction. Remember, as scientists, we observe, predict, and then check our predictions. It's all about learning and staying safe.
This is fun. I feel like a real scientist.
You are doing great. Now, can you tell me what you've learned about staying safe with electricity?
I've learned not to touch plugs or wires, keep water away, and never touch broken wires. I should ask others to make sure they know too.
Fantastic. Thank you for joining the magical world of science. Keep being curious, and remember, there's always more to discover in science.